So, so based on a lot of comments coming in the scam video which I've done, which I've so we have a lot of comments here. So let's talk, deep into it and speak about scam alert and how to educate people so that they do the right investment. So we'll talk about bitgert.com. So if you so so let's we'll go briefly through everything. So here, like if you search bitgert news, so you'll find big article that it is the biggest blockchain. So BRC20, then top three reasons why, and this comes mostly in this website called Analytics Insight, and and then and in other small websites which are inconsequential, and they have the Twitter is also buzzing, and then so almost all the fake websites which are not reliable, so they are picking up this news because they take money and then print the news without any search engine. So here it tells that it is safe moon price drops by 25% in 7 days, and Bitgart is a better investment. So let's talk about what is what it is trying to do. So here it tells that build with Bitgart chain, so it has got its own blockchain. So like you should go through the part 2 video to educate yourself that this is not a blockchain network, this is a simple BSC token. So this is a simple BSC token, and they don't have a blockchain network of their own. So here if we go to if we go to the BSC scan, so this is the contract address of the token, and so this is the contract creator of like address which has created the token. And if you go through the contract codes, like if you go to the contract codes, then you just have to search BRISE, then here is the code. So they have created the code token, and this is the marking wallet. So all the funds where people buy it, they go to this wallet. And so if you're buying token from pancake swap or like any other like swapping websites, though, so if you buy the BRISE token, then it goes into this wallet. So all these are codes, these are smart contracts. This is done on the Solidity network, and we do a lot of code audits, and we do work with the and 99.9% of the people who invest in crypto markets, they think it's speculation. And so like if to tell you more about blockchain and how it works. So blockchain networks are designed since the last decade by the finest brains of the world, but scam happens in the name of cryptocurrency, and this is a scam. It tells about a blockchain network which does not exist. This is a simple BSC token. So BSC is Binance Smart Chain. So like you can also make a token on BSC or Ethereum or Avalanche, like any blockchain network. So you just have to talk with a blockchain developer, then he will make you a token, and then you can sell those tokens by putting up news in social media. And this token is not backed by anything, so it has got no utility. So what these guys do is that they will raise capital, they will pump it up, they will pump the price, and when they have collected enough money, they will just do a rug pull, they will just run off. So this is how it works in scams in rug pull. And if you're not familiar with what is a rug pull, just Google rug pull, then you'll come to know, or you can check our previous videos about scams, then all these things are there. So this is not a blockchain network, this is a rug pull. Then what these guys have done is that they have created the documentation, developer documentation. So let's explore this documentation. So here, so it tells of a local BRISE chain network. So we click on this link, then it tells like how to install all these things. So if you are new to And if you're not much aware, so this is just a copy of the Ethereum blockchain network. So the codes are also same, they have copied it from there. They have not written anything of their own. And if you if you go to this deploy NFT and you laugh it off, like if you're from a tech background, so here it tells that they've here it tells to do this open Japlin contracts. So open Japlin contracts are, it's a wizard where you can generate your own token. So this is used by a lot of developers like us to make smart contracts. So here also they have copied it from the Truffle network. So Truffle is a platform where you make Solidity smart contracts. So here they have same copied same to same. So here there is no mention of the BRISE token out here. There is no mention of the BRISE blockchain because it does not exist. So here is a simple documentation from the Truffle website. So you'll get the same documentation. So they have copied it from there, and thinking that like if they put some data, then nobody will review or this thing. So it's all about Truffle, and so deploy to BRISE. So there is no mention of BRISE network out here. So just by telling that you are deploying the BRISE testnet, and we'll also show that the testnet does not exist. So here it's all about Ethereum. So crazy. Then BRISE full chain document. So this documentation you can copy from the Ethereum website and then change everything from Ethereum, like replace the word Ethereum to BRISE. So that's what people do, scamming. So here it tells about copying from the BRISE netic. So copy to run a full node. So let's see how many people has participated in the full node. So this is the GitHub website, and this was uploaded 14 days back, and there is only one developer. But generally in large blockchain networks, we have a bunch of the top brains in the world, like customizing the code, like even if you're like copying it for Ethereum and then adding your, but here this is just one guy. So he's uploaded it on like 14 days back. And if you just have a cursory look in the codes, and so you'll feel that so this is the Docker file. So you can also, so here also they have not changed everything, so it's still Ethereum in there. So they have not taken the pain to change the documentation as well. It might be that they don't know how to change this, but it's all tells about Ethereum, and so just making a duplicate copy of Ethereum and telling people that like you have got a blockchain network. So this network is not installed anywhere. This blockchain network, and like if you go through any code and check out, so it's all. So let's go here. So here it's all. So there's nothing related to BRISE out here. It's all about like Ethereum project. So they have changed from Go Ethereum to Go BRISE. So that's how they are trying to fool people, by having a copy in GitHub as well, showing that they are tech guys and setting up their own blockchain. Now let's talk about this is the staking dashboard which they mentioned in the website. So here it tells that it is powered by BSC. So it means that this is a simple BSC token where you can stake and add this thing. It does not have a blockchain. It does not have a blockchain. So this is just the simple BSC token. And this website's like it's not rocket science to build. So this is just simple. So then it also tells that like you can have their own apps. So we have talked about this one. Then let me go briefly about, that tells that they have their own wallet. show our products. So let's go to the wallet, and it's very difficult to get the link because so BRISE the app will be available for installation on iOS and on your mobile. So launched on 28th. So let's go. Now to tell you about technical terms, like anybody can upload their app on Google and then make it live because Google doesn't have a strict security check. So let's go to Google, and then like you'll see a lot of bad reviews that the app doesn't work. But it also has a lot of paid reviews where it tells like excellent features of the app and all those things. So so it tells about the here it tells about the token. So it doesn't tells about the blockchain of or the BRISE token. So here it tells like it is the token on the BSC. And then like the worst app I've ever seen by BRISE, and so this app also it seems it doesn't work. And they've uploaded it last 8 December, and this app was uploaded in last December, but this blockchain network, this codes was uploaded this thing on like 14 days back. So, and this is the like if you search this, then you'll find to know like who like this project is backed by which company and like who is trying to scam people out here. As you know, in the internet, like everything can be tracked. It's like however, and this app is not on the Apple App Store because in Apple App Store they have a strict policy that they will test it. They don't they make sure that like you cannot upload scam apps and upload. So they are not listed on the App Store, and they will never be listed on the Apple App Store. And they put it up on the testing App Store where people can download this app and test it. So this is like anybody can do it. Like I can make a app and then upload it on the testing apps, and then install this test flight app, and then like we can test it. So this is not the production release. This is just the testing release, and Apple will never put on the test store if they will check it thoroughly, like whether it's a scam company or not. And but in Google and all, like you can upload your app. They don't have a strict. They don't check like what the app is trying to do. But if they do get people reporting that this is a fake app, then they will delist the app from the App Store. So what like instead of writing a bad review, then you can tell them to delist the app on the App Store. So take care about doing your due diligence about how the blockchain works and what people are trying to portray. And here also it tells about it gives pictures of the iPhone, where like actually the iPhone app is not there in the market. So buy, swap, and so we do educate our viewers from time to time on scams and how to know a bit of technology, how blockchain works, what is the difference between a blockchain and a token, what are the different blockchain networks, what are smart contracts, what are NFT marketplace, and we'll also be putting up videos on how to do code edits and how editing is done, and all the technical terms, and also review about different DeFi platforms like Trading Joe. And so if you go to DappRadar, then you'll have all the listings of the DeFi applications. And do join our Discord channels and these channels below, which is in the video, and do write to us. And like if you need more information about like any coins, because we have a research team where we do research on different cryptocurrencies, and we do educate our people on the different technologies involved and how to like educate yourself so that you do your due diligence. And we make these educational videos from time to time. And till then I think that's enough. These 3 videos are enough to make your own judgment about and how to like educate yourself, and so that like you keep on alert and know the difference, and then avoid rug pulls, like avoid investing or avoid buying coins from this scam artists, the scam coins, like which are there, where like everyone is trying to like use the hard work done by the big blockchain guys from the tech field and these tech guys and people like trying to scam people out of their uh, hard money. So thanks, and do write and comment to us from time to time, and educate yourself. And till then, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.